Hey, what's up, guys? So today I traded two stocks, CARG and CGC. So I'm just gonna go over CARG first. So I went long here because I thought it broke this level. It's above the SMA. That there may be a chance because the stock opened very bearish. That there's a chance that it go back up to this level of consolidation up here at the pre-market level, 2732. I'm hoping that okay, now it looks like it was gonna go up there, but of course because of the 5-minute SMA, it basically hit that level, and then because that level was coming down, so it depressed the stock. So I got stopped out right under the 50 SMA here on the 1-minute chart. Popped back up above it. I thought it was going to go up. Went long again, and then it dropped, so I got stopped out. So this time I went short. It did drop to this level, but my cover. So the VWAP at that time was here, but I set my at around 25.75 was my first partial. It didn't really hit it. It did hit VWAP, and then it bounced back up. I was watching it for a bit, deciding, so this is basically my break even. So it hit my break even, and I was deciding whether to get stopped out or not. But at this point, I added to my position because I saw that this is a double SMA. So this is a very good level of, I guess in this case, because I was going short, this is a very good level of support. So then I actually went short into support and continued to add to it. I covered some here. Right after I covered it, it looked like it was going to continue the short trend. So I actually added back to the short that I just covered. And then it hit my, came very close to VWAP. So I started covering my partials, covered that. And then it started to look like I was going to recover. So I added. Again, I added into the support here. So these S2 SMA, the 50 and 200, good level of support. So I added into support. If it breaks support, then I would have covered out. And then on the way down, I just kept on covering. So this was I lost quite a bit here in the beginning, but I made more than made back my losses here at the end when it went in my favor. So that was CARG, and then the other stock I traded was CGC. So for CGC, I was playing a reversal. Went long here when it went over the EMAs, dropped below it, and then I just got stopped out. Did the same thing here, added to it, went in, added to it when it went above it, and then I got stopped out again. So I got faked out twice on that, actually 3 times here. So here it looked like it was going to go above the EMAs. I preempted it, went in long, and then I got stopped out. So I got stopped out basically 3 times here. And then I didn't play it. I was playing CARG until it found another lower low. This is a lower level support. Then it started to go up and break through. So I went long here. It went up, and then on the way down, I basically exited my position. Followed it, see what happens. It held this level, so I went in smaller size, and then I added to my smaller size, added to it. And then again, it dropped. So then I covered pretty much a slight loss here. And then when I saw it was about to go up, then I went back in because right now it never broke through the SMA. It kind of started to touch it, went below it just a bit, but it never frankly break through this level. So I went back in super heavy this time, 4,000 shares on the way up. I covered, and I covered into this SMA level of resistance. So I covered those. It dropped, and then I was watching it. It held this level, started to go back up. So I added back the shares that I sold. Added those back. It popped above that level. I sold some. It went back down a bit, and then so I sold some more. And then when it popped above that level of resistance again, I added back the shares that I sold. And then on the way up, I sold the remainder of my shares. I didn't really think it was going to hit VWAP. It did hit VWAP. I didn't think that was going to happen. And so I exited all my the remainder of my positions here. But at this time, I really don't have that many shares left anymore. So either way, that's the 2 stocks I traded. Came out positive for the day, and overall, I'm pretty happy with my trade. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching.